In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color for any section on Shopify. This simple yet effective customization can give your online store a fresh look and feel, enhancing the overall shopping experience for your customers. Let's dive into the step-by-step process, making sure you follow along to seamlessly update your store's aesthetics. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Shopify website. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll need to do so, but for today, we'll assume you're already a registered user. Input your credentials and navigate to your Shopify dashboard. Next, locate the Online Store section. This is where you can modify your store's appearance and functionality. Once you find it, simply click on it. You'll now be presented with a variety of options, including themes and customizations available for your store. Now it's time to hit the Customize button. Doing so opens the theme editor where you'll start making your visual changes. For today's example, let's say we want to change the background color of the Featured Collection section. This is a popular area of any online store because it highlights specific products you want customers to notice. Within the customization options, look for Color Scheme. This is where the magic happens in terms of aesthetics. Click on Color Scheme, and a palette of colors should appear, allowing you to select your preferred background color. Consider the tone and mood you want for your store. For instance, lighter colors often create a sense of space and simplicity, while darker colors may convey elegance or sophistication. Once you've selected the color that best suits your brand's image, there's just one simple yet crucial step left to complete. Make sure to click Pamandise. This step is essential because it ensures all the changes you made take effect on your live site. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the background color in a specific section of your Shopify store. It's incredible how one small change can significantly affect the look and feel of your online presence. With just a few clicks, you've refreshed your store, potentially making it